Unit 2, Lesson 1. The last function we'll look at is the constant function. This function's equation is y equals b, where b is some real number. So just to give this some substance, let's let b equal 2. So I'm going to put an example in here. Y equals 2. So if this is 2 on the y-axis, the function, if we made a table of values, and we used our -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2, it really doesn't matter what x is because x isn't even in the equation. So what that means is no matter what x is, y is always going to be 2. So in our table of values, we'll have 2 for y every time. So if we were to plot those points, let's say this is -1, and this is -2, and this is 1, and this is 2, we would have these points that actually line up in a horizontal line. So the equation y equals 2 is a horizontal line through the y-axis at 2. So whether it's y equals 2, y equals 3 would be above that, y equals 1 would be below that, y equals -5 would be even lower. It's always going to be a horizontal line with a y-intercept of 0b. So just looking at the characteristics of a graph again, so the domain is going to be all real numbers because it goes forever to the left and the right. The range is the single number b. In this case, we let b be 2. And when it's a single number, you put it in these squiggly lines, which we call braces. For this one, there is no x-intercept, but the y-intercept, again, in this case, is going to be 0, 2. It is not increasing, and it is not decreasing. Because it's staying the same, y is always 2 no matter what x is, we call this a constant function, hence the name, and we say that it's constant, not decreasing, not increasing, but constant everywhere. So that's the constant function, and again, that applies no matter what b is. I just used 2 as an example.